filthy. See, check this out. Boo. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. See, I can move that a little bit. Perfect. Yes, I can. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I am feeding some cable through the ceiling of the living room and the master bedroom. Now what I did is I took the cable that was outside and I fed it through the vent. In the near future I will be nailing these to the ceiling, but just for right now I will be just feeding them to the rooms. So I'm gonna have some fun today. All right, let's check this out. This is where I need to go to next. It is right there.
You okay up there?
Yes, I am. Oh, this stuff works. It works. I got spider webs all over me. Oh man, got dirty. Alrighty. Let's hope that works. Weeks later, as you can see, I got the wiring situation done. We did get the box all programmed and set and ready to go. It's all pretty much almost wire free, just from what you can see. Besides like an inch right there, 2 inches right there, 2 inches right there. I am working on the sub cable. The subwoofer cable, but yes, now what I'm gonna have to do is perfect. Oh, gotta love that. I misplaced my daily hat. I forgot where it was. Oh man, I got so much work ahead of me, it's unbelievable. But let's get this done. I gotta take the Christmas decorations down and bring a ton of stuff up here, which I'm extremely excited about. What do I got to do? So first, use this. Back you up more. Let's angle this up, just like that. I think that's it. Grab my stuff. My wife told me don't swear anymore on my videos, so I'm trying not to.
I forgot what it's like to have a weekend off.